Hi there, my name is Natalie. I recently got the Woobles as a gift for Christmas and I've decided to try them out. I first saw them on Instagram just as a recommendation, and I thought they were very cute, so I asked for them as a Christmas gift. And yeah, I started crocheting. I got it a bundle, so far I have the bunny and I have the little chick. And this is like my first time doing crocheting, and it was very fun. I've never had any experience before, but I figured, you know, during the holiday season and I've had some time, I kind of wanted to try to do some hands-on crafty work. So yeah, it was like promoted as a beginner-friendly exercise with a lot of guidance. So I figured it would be a good place to start and learn how to do it. And lo and behold, like when I got the packages, and I still have two more, but they come in these really cute packages and I love them. You get all the materials you need, and you get the instructions, free video for them. So I thought the videos were very, very helpful as step-by-step guides as I was trying to make these little guys, and I thoroughly enjoyed my experience a lot. It wasn't like I thought it might be difficult. I tried knitting a long time ago when I was still in high school, and it was a frustrating experience. I didn't like it. So I had my doubts a little bit about crocheting, but the videos make it very easy, and it was a very, very fun experience, and I would recommend it for everyone who just wants to try it out, because, you know, these guys, come on, they're adorable. Why wouldn't you want to make one yourself? And yeah, it's very beginner friendly, and I would highly, highly recommend trying it yourself. And I think there's just this sense of accomplishment as well when you're able to do things just with your hands and do something crafty. So yeah, highly recommend it. I'm excited to continue working on the other two. I think the designs are great. I think the instructions were very, very helpful. So thank you, Woobles, for doing this and preparing this kit for everybody that just wants to learn and just wants to have fun. Yeah, thanks again.
Hi, so this is the Wooble I made. It's a little rabbit. I named her Gina, and that was my first time ever crocheting something. So I decided to get the kit because I was kind of looking to getting into crocheting, but didn't really know what stuff I needed or whether the stuff I was going to order was going to be good quality. So I decided to get a Wooble kit because I knew everything would be included and the instructions would be with it as well. The instructions are honestly so easy to follow along. There's great videos that come with it as well, so you can honestly just follow the videos and that'll help you understand what's happening. There's also a left-handed option. I'm left-handed, which made the crocheting a lot easier. You know, these videos were designed specifically for left-handed people. Yeah, if you're on the fence about getting a Wooble kit, I would say 100% try it. The prices are so reasonable, and it's a great way of getting like a really good basic understanding of crocheting that you can then go and apply to other Woobles or maybe even try something else. Yeah, so it's 100% worth it. Plus, look at how cute they are.
For my entire life, I've wanted to learn to crochet, but I didn't have anyone to teach me. I tried YouTube videos, but they're really confusing, and that's a hard way to learn, and I would always give up and just never try it again. So I finally decided to try something different, which is the Woobles Learn to Crochet Kit.
Woobles is a crochet kit for beginners like me that has everything you need to make a small, adorable crocheted stuffed animal. Each kit comes with everything you need: step-by-step guide, video tutorials, a crochet hook, support from the Woobles and their active Facebook community, and just enough yarn to complete the project. No waste involved. It comes with a special easy-peasy yarn that's specifically designed for beginners, and it comes pre-started. With this kit, you truly can't fail.
Isn't he adorable? I love him, and I made this. I'm so excited to have a healthy and productive new hobby, and I'm also going to pass the skill along to my kids so they can learn how to crochet. You've got to check out the Woobles Learn to Crochet Kit. You won't regret it.
Woobles is a starter crochet kit for beginners. I have always wanted to crochet and I just get lost in the process and I just would stop until I found Woobles. I was able to finish my Wooble in just one day. This kit includes everything that you need. You get your plastic eyes and your yarn needle, you get the stuffing, you get the needle, and you get your yarn. A special thing that I love about Woobles is that it comes pre-started for you, so you don't even have to start at zero. It's step-by-step instructions. Go watch the tutorial when you're crocheting so that way it guides you step-by-step through the process. I'm so happy that I found Woobles. It gives me a sense of accomplishment instead of just wasting your time scrolling the screen. Click the link so you can choose your favorite animal to start crocheting today.